Yarno, the dishwasher is haunted.
What?
The dishwasher, it's haunted.
Haunted?
Yeah.
What do you mean haunted?
As in, it's possessed.
What would possess a dishwasher?
A ghost?
What kind of a ghost possesses a dishwasher?
Dishwasher ghost?
Okay, how did you know it was haunted?
I opened it.
And?
It shouted at me.
It shouted at you?
Yeah.
What did it say?
I don't know, I don't speak dishwasher.
Then how did you know it shouted at you?
Because it was loud. It made me cry.
There's the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Doesn't look haunted to me.
Open it.
See? It's...
Yarno, I need help.
Jesus! What now?
There's something wrong with the microwave.
The microwave.
Yeah, the microwave. Well, there's the microwave.
Yep. What's wrong with it?
It's satanic.
Yesterday you said the dishwasher was haunted.
Yeah, and I was right.
So what's so satanic about it?
Well, the only number that you can put in it is 6 minutes and 66 seconds. So, let me prove it.
Have you ever tried any other numbers, like 1, 2, or 3?
Who cooks chicken for 1 minute and 23 seconds? That's just stupid.
You don't cook raw chicken in the microwave.
Look, the only number that you can put in this microwave is 6 minutes and 66 seconds.
So that's just 7 minutes and 6 seconds.
No, it's 6 minutes and 66 seconds.
No, because there's 60 seconds in a minute.
Yeah, but there's 100 numbers.
No, but what? There's like over 10 billion. Well, what grade did you get in maths?
E for excellent.
I'm just gonna prove it to you that it's not satanic.
Hey, about the fridge being weird.
Who the hell are you?
I opened it thinking there was food, but instead I found a portal to which I'm pretty sure is hell.
Okay, look. How did you get in here? How do you know my name? What were you doing looking in my fridge? And also, I don't believe you.
Wait, so you're fully aware that both your dishwasher and your microwave are possessed, but you don't believe me about the fridge?
How do you know all that?
Why don't you believe me?
Okay. First of all, I don't even know who you are. For all I know, you're here to murder me. And secondly, I'm usually the one that finds these things out.
Well, maybe we're doing a role reversal episode.
What?
Just come with me to the fridge.
Alright, I'm not even gonna beat around the bush with this, just open it.
Meh. Oh, cool, chicken sandwich.
Yep. That's definitely a portal to hell.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a portal to whatever you said it was.
Well, now what do we do?
Oh! Now I murder you.
Knew it!
Any last words?
Microwave.
What?
I wonder what happened to Yarno. Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Guacamole, 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 guacamole.
Ten months. I was stuck in there for 10 months.
Where did you go again?
Hell! The microwave ate me and I went to hell!
How did you get out?
He left the fridge door open.
The milk's probably gone bad.
That's what you're worried about?
Yeah.
So what did you do while I was clawing through fire and brimstone? Did you just sit there?
Yeah, pretty much.
You just kind of assumed I'd be okay.
And I was right, wasn't I?
What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, I made a missing poster, look.
That's just a picture of my face. So you really did nothing? Nothing at all?
Well, I was kind of distracted.
By what exactly?
Well, someone broke into our house and tried to murder me.
Really? What did you do?
I fed him to the microwave.
This guy, what did he look like?
My kind of height, curly hair, creepy smile.
Right. We may have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Oh, hey guys. Pretty swanky, right? I mean, I didn't think I could pull off a suit, but damn.
You're the guy that tried to murder me.
Guilty, but if I remember correctly, you actually murdered me. Threw me into that microwave right there. But I guess I should probably thank you for that. I mean, if you hadn't done that, I wouldn't be the man I am today.
What the heck does that mean?
This guy murdered, murdered Satan.
Yeah, it was surprisingly easy, actually. Broke into his house, ate his food, shot him in the face, and now I'm the king of hell, so it all worked out.
Neat.
Yeah, and now I've come back to Earth, and I've decided that I'm going to use my satanic powers to, you know, kind of get revenge on the people who inconvenienced me. Starting with you.
Well, it's been nice knowing you, buddy. I'm gonna miss y'all who was talking to me.
Prepare to feel the wrath of the king of hell, bitch! Oh, what the heck?
I have ignored the satanic behavior within this dwelling for too long. Today it comes to an end.
Who the hell are you?
I am all that is right and just. I am the light of day and the dark of night. I am balance and peace. I am the blender.
Run!
Your time is at an end, infernal demon. Return now to the void from whence you came.
Is it over?
I think so.
I wonder if the kitchen's normal now.
Yeah, probably. I wonder if we got rid of the demon in the bathroom.